channel, and for today's video ay gumawa ako ng tutorial about this eye makeup look. Super simple lang. It's the simple glam makeup tutorial. So, eye makeup tutorial. So, if you want to know how I created this look, please keep on watching. So, hi guys! As you guys can see, tapos na yung face makeup ko kasi gagawa tayo ngayon ng soft glam eye makeup tutorial. Eye makeup tutorial. So, make sure to watch my review on the HBC Crayons BB Cream kasi rina-review ko siya ngayon. So, let's start the tutorial. So, nalagyan ko na siya kanina ng BB cream. So, set ko siya with set ko siya with white eyeshadow powder. Behind this one. Hindi ko na nilinis yung kilay ko, guys. And then, yung next shade is going to be this one. It's for our transition shade. Same brush. That's my sister's finger. Top of the excess. I'm going to put it on my crease. And then to intensify it more, I'm going to take this shade from my brow palette. I'm going to focus on it on the outer V, and then blending towards the inner corner, the crease. Then I'm going to get a clean brush and blend out the edges. I'm going to take a little bit of this dark eyeshadow, this one, so that it's not going to be that dark. With this small brush, small pencil brush, my sister's bothering me. Oh my god. And then I'm going to blend it. I'm just intensely blending it kasi ang hirap niyang mag-blend. So, ayan. I'm going to cut this. Hi guys! So, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Leave the description down below. I'm going to put some shimmer shades. Hindi ko na siya ikakat kasi wala yung concealer dito. Sa kabilang kwarto, and I'm lazy to get it. Okay, so I'm going to take this. It's like a champagne color, champagne shimmer. I'm going to use my finger. It's like, this is color, it's from pink. Then I'm going to get this brush again, the clean brush, and just blend it with the transition shade. So I'm just going to do this on the other eye and I'll be back. So I'm done with my makeup. It's so simple and you can wear this on your if you go out with your friends, or if you're going to a party or an event, you can wear this. It's so simple but yet it's glam. So I'm just going to change my top and I'll be back. So this is the final look of the soft glam makeup tutorial. Super quick tutorial lang to guys kasi super easy nga lang ng look na ginawa ko. And sobrang pink and pink. Hindi ko yun napansin guys, hindi ko siya plinano. Kung ano lang kasi yung dinampot kong damit, yun na lang. So, that's it for this video guys. Please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and comment some video suggestions you want me to do next on my future videos. Bye!